Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Google Earth and going straight to the area you care about. Type the address or paste coordinates. Once there, enable borders, roads, and places so property lines and nearby labels appear. Make sure you use the satellite or 3D view for clear parcel shapes. If you have a county map overlay, load it now. It speeds up matching parcels to survey numbers. This setup gets you into the exact zone, where the survey number will be visible or matched. Now focus on identifying the exact parcel. Zoom until individual lot lines are distinct. Switch to 45 degrees or the 3D tilt to resolve overlapping shapes. Use the polygon tool to trace the lot and label it internally for comparison, and use the ruler for dimensions. This helps match the parcel to official records. Once traced, overlay a county cadastral KML or your downloaded plot file. Matching shape and dimensions reveals the corresponding. Finally, click the parcel or the county overlay item to view its attributes. The survey or parcel number is usually in that metadata field. If that field isn't visible, export your traced polygon as KML and open it in the county GIS viewer or assessor search to cross-check the ID. Make sure to record the exact format. Dashes or leading zeros matter. Troubleshooting tip: if numbers don't match, realign the overlay using control points and recheck datum settings. Mismatched projections often hide the correct ID.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.